Hey, great day to you. So how to do Amazon FBA bookkeeping and accounting. In this video, I'm going to share two solutions with you that hopefully will help you with your bookkeeping and accounting as an Amazon seller or even e-commerce seller on other platforms. And even maybe if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, this video will be useful for you. So let's get to things. My name is Baba Evans, seller on Amazon since 2016. And now really, let's get to things. So the first solution I have for you is Link My Books. It's accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, basically accounting software. In the description, I have free trial for you of Link My Books and also a special coupon code that helps you save 50% off for 3 whole months with Link My Books. Link My Books will allow you to connect your Amazon store, or also if you have Etsy, Walmart, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, or even Square or WooCommerce platforms, you'll be able to connect them to QuickBooks or Xero, which will be helpful for your accounting and bookkeeping processes. And with Link My Books, you'll be able to save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposits matching Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Now, in order to understand how to use Link My Books, myself, Vava Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books and the CEO, we have prepared a full A to Z tutorial that shows you how to use Link My Books from A to Z, how to connect it, how to use it, what exactly it is, how it helps you with your accounting bookkeeping processes. So the video is down in the description for you. Another video we created with Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Books, is going to help you use Link My Books if you're an accountant or bookkeeper. So basically, if you are such a person, accountant, bookkeeper, or accounting firm, small accounting firm, big accounting firm, you can manage your clients within Link My Books. So basically, you'll be able to streamline a lot of processes and improve your productivity as an accountant or bookkeeper. And there's this video in the description that shows you exactly how to do all that, how to onboard your clients, how to add them, and how to connect to Xero or QuickBooks your client. So basically, everything is explained in that video down in the description. Also, you can check out the timestamps here if you're an accountant bookkeeper to see exactly kind of what we're talking about. But again, the video is in the description. And again, for Link My Books, free trial and a best coupon code, 50% off for 3 whole months, is in the description. The second solution I have for you is called EcomBalance. EcomBalance, reliable monthly bookkeeping for the e-commerce industry, for Amazon sellers as well, and other platforms, Shopify, Walmart, eBay, many other things that guys can help you with. Check it out. The link with the special offer is in the description for EcomBalance. If you want to learn more about EcomBalance, I have a video in the description for you with one of the founders of EcomBalance, Nathan Hirsch, and we just explained what is EcomBalance, how it works, and how it can help you. And we have the best offer for EcomBalance, like 2-month free trial in the description as well, and this video with Nathan. So again, for your accounting and bookkeeping as an Amazon seller, those two solutions can be useful. Link My Books and EcomBalance. Of course, the best offers for them are in the description. And I'm wishing you a great day, and I hope you're going to have a great week as well. Why not? Let's have a good week as well. Let's go.